So, good morning, class. So, today, atong topic is about consonant blend. Sa atong topic?
Consonant blend.
So, ato basahon unsa ang consonant blend. So, use in phonics
Use in phonics
to refer
to refer
to
to
refer to two or three
refer to two or three
consonants
consonant
present
present
in the same
in the same
syllable
syllable
of a word
of a word
not separated
not separated
by vowels.
by vowels.
Example
Example
include combinations.
include
Combinations
combinations
such as
such as
BR,
BR,
CR,
CR,
and BL.
and BL.
And BL. So, unsa may sound anang BR?
Bar.
So, bar. Bar is B-A-R man na. So, ang sound sa BR is brr. Unsay sound? Brr. 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 Ang CR, krr. Krr. Yan to ang sound sa BL kay bl. Bl. So, atong example sa diri is ang BR nga consonant ug ang CR nga consonant. Unsa gyud ang sound sa BR? Again. CR. Krr. Krr. Okay, so ato sa basahon ang mga consonant blends nga BR. So, ako una ha. Broom.
Broom.
Again.
Broom.
Okay, bread.
Bread.
Again.
Bread.
Brother.
Brother.
Again.
Brother.
Bridge.
Bridge.
Again.
Bridge.
Brown.
Brown.
Again.
Brown.
Okay, very good. So sa CR, unsay sound sa CR? Krr. Unsay sound, Angela? Okay. Crab.
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 Crayon.
Crayon.
Again.
Crayon.
Cry.
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 Create.
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 Crispy.
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 Okay, so tagsa-tagsaon ta mo ha. So let's start with Jocelyn. Jocelyn, please stand up. So unsay sound sa BR? Okay, first.
Broom. Bread. Brother.
Sa man to. Oh, unsa may English sa tulay?
Bridge.
Okay, very good.
Brown.
Next, CR sound.
Crab. Crayon.
Di lagi crayon. Crayon.
Crayon.
Ah, dili crayon ha, crayon. Dili crayon.
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 Letter O na siya, di mo sa letter U. So crayon.
Crayon. Cry. Create. Crispy.
Okay, very good, Jocelyn. Sit down. Next, Lian. Please stand up. Read. Say sound sa BR.
Broom. Bread. Brother. Bridge. Round.
Okay, very good. Sa CR, say sound.
Crab. Crayon.
English.
Crayon.
English.
Crayon.
Okay, very good.
Cry. Create. Crispy.
Okay, very good. Next, Jan, stand up. The hare and tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a hare and a tortoise. They were good friends. One day, they challenged to run a race. The race started. The hare ran very fast. On the way, the hare decided to take a rest. He stopped and slept. But the tortoise moved steadily and reached the winning post. He ran very fast, but he was ashamed to see the tortoise there. Oh, oh who's the winner?
Bonnie the tortoise.
Oh, Bonnie the tortoise. Asang noun sa winner?
Okay, Riza, give me the summary of the story.
A hare and a tortoise were good friends. They competed in a race. The hare ran very fast, taking rest and sleeping. The tortoise, however, moved steadily and reached the winning post. When the hare woke up, he ran fast but was ashamed to see the tortoise there.
Okay, thank you for that. So, Fritschel, what is the moral lesson of the story?
The moral lesson of the story is to have perseverance and endurance to achieve a goal.
Okay, thank you for that.
This morning, we will be talking about sex education. Okay, so I know some of you here
So
already
today,
familiar with
we're
sex
here at
education
New Village,
because
San
initial
Carlos.
topic
So
is
my assistant teacher are discussing
introduce
sex
na siya
education
in grade 6,
for the
7,
high school and
8,
self-study
so on.
student.
And some of you here, guys, in your
Since the Villaverna teacher is not around, so the student from the Villaverna area is here at
so ay masod sa inyong nahuna.
San Carlos New Village.
No, P, unsa man lang ba? Yes, very good. So, ang sex education, nag-talk ko siya about prevention. Unsa may kinahanglan ligayan? Ang yes, Lark, unsa man? Harap ang unsa man? Early pregnancy, very good. So, na mo'y knowledge para makalikay mo og early pregnancy because in this generation, daghan na kay sayo na nga buntis. Pero man, wala lagi sila knowledge or kanang lack sila of knowledge ba about family planning or engaging in that activity. Kay ang kaning kanang sexual activity is gihimo na lang nila nga sports or i-perform na lang nila nga activity para sa pleasure, para sa ilahang kaugalingon nga satisfaction. Wala na planning nga nahitabo unlike before nga kasal una before ang sex. So, mao na siya. And then, before we dig into our topic, sex education, so we also have here our lesson target. The first one is to introduce what is sex education and its different aspects. So, in this topic, you will know deeper about sex education. And then, ano sa ninyong may bahuan about puberty, and then kanang mga stages, and then nadiri ang gender equality, and then respiratory system of both genders. And then lastly, we will develop their knowledge and teach them how to be safe in having any sexual intercourse and explaining how they should take care of themselves. But kani atong topic, wala mi sa nag-encourage ninyo ha to engage. Wala mi nag-encourage nga ba na engage mo ani para makabaw mo sa mga kanang safety or sa angay buhaton. This is to kwan lang kanang hatag ninyo og kanang piece of knowledge ba about kanang how to become safe in engaging in sexual intercourse para dili ta mapareha sa uban nga na-engage sa early pregnancy. Okay, next we have okay, so unsa man jud ang sex education? So sex education is high quality teaching and learning about a broad variety of topics related to sex and sexuality. So, this is a sex education tudluan mo og kanang mga butang or different topics nga related sa sex and sexuality. Ano si katawa ni mo, Clark? Okay, unsa man nimo masabtan sa sex education? education. So, unsa ko may purpose or nganong naay sex education? Nganong ganito? Liya.
Para malikayan ang mga negative outcomes.
Yes, para ma-reduce ang risk sa mga negative outcomes when we engage to sexual activities early. Okay, so unsa ba itong mga negative outcomes? Regine. Sa ato, example ha. 14 years old girl engaged siya og sexual activity with her boyfriend. Isa man ang negative outcome na. Yes, early pregnancy. And then, kung mabuntis og sayo, unsa may kanang effect ana sa family or sa ilang estado sa kinabuhi. Yes, Ruby. Barag lang ka. Makaundang og eskwela. Unsa pa man, Leah Rich. If mabuntis ka og sayo, makaundang ka eskwela and